Hello, hi guys. Welcome you all to the Devops Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another Code Cloud Engineer task. I am here on the Chrome browser. On search bar, let me type engineer.codecloud.com/login. Hit enter. I directly got these tasks UI because I auto saved my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. In this video, we will see Docker volumes mapping task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look at the solution. The Nautilus DevOps team is testing applications containerization, which is supposed to be migrated on Docker container-based environment soon. In today's stand-up meeting, one of the team members has been assigned a task to create and test a Docker container with certain requirements. Below are more details. An app server 2 in status DC pull Nginx image, preferably latest tag, but others should work too. Create a new container with the name apps from the image you just pulled. Map the host volume /opt/it admin with container volume /home. There is an sample.txt file present on same server under /tmp. Copy that file to /opt/it admin. Also, please keep the container in running state. Since here they are asked us to create a container on app server 2, by default we are on the jump host, so we need to log into the app server 2. To log into app server 2, we need credentials of it, which we can find out by clicking on the details of all users and servers button here on top right. And here is the app server 2. Steve is the username and stapp02 is the server name. These two details are mandatory in order to log into app server 2. Let me type SSH and username is Steve @stapp02. Hit enter. Type yes. Now let me give the password. Hit enter. Let me clear the screen. So first let's verify the Docker version just to make sure Docker is present in our server before executing any of the Docker commands. Yes, it is present. And now first we need to pull the Nginx image. So let's verify the images present in the server by giving the Docker images. So if we give the Docker images, we can able to see all the images present in the server. So presently there are no images. So let me do the Docker pull Nginx and tag for it should be latest. So :latest. So and Docker is pulling the Nginx with the latest tag from the library /Nginx. This is the location from where Docker is trying to pull Nginx image. Okay, now the image is pulled successfully into our server. Now let me try to verify it by giving the Docker images. Yes, we have it. Now we need to create a container with the name apps. Further, let me do the Docker. Okay, before that, first let's verify the containers present in our server. So docker ps is the command which will help us to list out all the containers present in our server. So as we are not able to see anything here, meaning there are no containers present in our server as of now. So let me create. For that we need to give the docker run, and they are asked us to keep the container in running state. So let me give the -d, meaning detached mode. It will -d, and name of our container should be apps, right? So let me give the same thing here, and then -v. We need to host volume. We need to map the host volume with the container volume. First we need to give the host volume, and which is at /opt/it admin and then we have to map it to the container value, that is /home. Okay, then name of the image, that is nginx. Let me give the tag of it too, just to make sure everything is perfect. Okay, now container creation is in progress. Yes, this is our container ID. Let's verify by giving the docker ps command. Yes, we can able to see a container named apps with nginx :test image, and this is the container ID. Now they are mentioning that there was a sample.txt file present on the same server under /tmp. So let's go there and verify it once. ls and sample.txt is there. Let me do the cat sample.txt just to check whatever the data present in it. Okay, this is sample file. Now let me do the cd tilde symbol just to go to the home directory of the Steve user, and then now let me go to cd/opt/itadmin, hit enter. Now let me do the ls. See here, we are not able to see any file or anything here in this particular itadmin directory. Our task is to copy sample.txt from /tmp to the /opt/itadmin. Let me do the same thing. Now let me do cp/tmp/sample.txt. Come on. Okay, sample.txt to the, just a minute, it was just okay. From these two we need to copy it to /opt/itadmin/sample.txt. okay, hit enter. Cannot create a regular file, permission denied. Okay, let me run as a sudo user. Enter. Password for this Steve user, let me copy it, paste it here, hit enter. Yes, now it is copied. Let's go to this particular directory again, opt/itadmin. Let me do the ls. We are able to see the sample.txt. Now since we mapped our host volume /opt/itadmin to the /home of the container volume, we just have to log into the container and check at the /home directory. There we should be able to see the sample.txt file. Okay, let me do the cd tilde symbol and then docker ps. Now let me do the docker exec-it and then name of our container apps bin/bin/bash. Now we are inside the container. See here, container ID cd89c4 cd89c4. This is a proof that we are inside the apps container. Okay, now let me go to cd/home. Okay, it is again asking for us to log into app server 2. Let me stapp02, paste the password. Now let me do the docker ps, docker exec-it apps and then /bin/bash. Now let me go to cd/home. Let me do the ls. See here, we are able to see the sample.txt, cat sample.txt. Yes, this is a sample file. This is what we copied in the server from /tmp to the /opt/itadmin. Okay, let me try to exit from here. As we have completed the task, let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. Yes, we did it correct. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another Code Cloud Engineer task. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you, guys.